Here are two ways to check the purchase date of any iPhone. Head into the settings, go to General, and then go to About. And here it says coverage expired for mine. It may stay coverage enabled for yours or something to that effect. And this is basically AppleCare coverage. So it shows here when mine expired, and you can kind of guess how long you had it. Usually it's 1 or 2 years. So October 1st, 2020, 1 or 2 years before that is when I bought the iPhone. And that's not super helpful, but you kind of get a ballpark idea of when the iPhone was purchased. There's another place we can check when that's an Apple website. You can take this serial number right here and put it into their site. So just copy that. It's probably easiest to copy it from back here. And then go to checkcoverage.apple.com. Then hit go. And here, once we get rid of all these things, we can enter our serial number right there. So let's tap twice to get the paste option and then hit submit. And here it shows purchased October 1st, 2019. So what we saw in the settings was October 1st, 2020 was when coverage expired. So I had a 1-year AppleCare coverage, and we see this is the purchase date, so that makes a lot of sense. It shows the exact day of the expiration as well, October 1st. So likely I bought the phone October 1st, 2019. At least if it wasn't October 1st, it was in October in 2019. That's how you can find the purchase date of a phone. If you got value from this video, make sure you like and subscribe to let me know. Then check out this video on your screen right now, which shows you how you can set any song as a ringtone on your phone. Super cool video. Check it out, and I'll see you there.